we refresh, we see that it is loading quite fast, but this is on desktop. But suppose that we want to simulate a 3G network, and 3G network is a slower network, but it can happen that this is the network that your client will use. So how do we simulate it? Well, we can go and maybe simulate, we can simulate here also mobile phone, for example, Samsung. And we can go here and you can see that when I'm simulating the Samsung, I'm using 3G, slow 3G. And now let's refresh. And you see now that when I'm refreshing, it is taking a lot of time for the image to load, right? So even if I'm using fast, let's use fast 3G and let's refresh. Let's disable the cache, okay, because we want to simulate it for the first time. So let's refresh. Yes, and when we disable the cache, you see more clearly what happened for the first time, that the user load your website. And let's now change it to fast 3G. And let's refresh. Okay, so also on fast 3G, you see that it's taking a lot of time. So we see that if 3G network is used, it takes a lot of time. And this is not relevant if this is mobile or not. Okay, so let's refresh it once again. And you see that even if your device is working on 3G, maybe your Wi-Fi is slow, you will see that the website and the web page is loading slowly. So this is the problem. And the question is, who decide if this is quick response or slow response? And if you show it to people, so maybe one people will say this is very slow, and the other one will say no, this is slow, and the other person maybe will say other things. So how can we make this performance not subjective but objective? We will see in the next lesson.